Hey, welcome back to the series of Business Studies Chapter 5 Organizing. In this video, we are learning about meaning and definition of delegation. By the way, this is OBC online business class. If you still not subscribed, consider it. It means a lot for us. Delegation refers to downward transfer of authority from superiors to subordinate because a single manager cannot perform all tasks in organization. However, he must transfer some responsibility to other persons so that he can concentrate on some important essential work, and it also satisfies the subordinates' need for the recognition. That means subordinates feel more responsible as they are doing higher tasks, and moreover it provides them with opportunities to develop and initiate. Moving on to the definition, Theo Haimman given a definition. So the definition says like this: delegation of authority merely means the granting of authority to subordinates to operate with prescribed limit. That means it just transfer the authority to subordinates. Subordinate means one who work under you, they are called subordinates. So transferring your authority to subordinates. Overall, it clearly mentioned downward transfer of authority towards the subordinates in order to perform a better work. So this is called delegation. If you find this video helpful, share it. Click here to watch the next series about the elements of delegation. Support us by subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next series. Bye.